Hello everyone, this is Utsav from VWIT, and this video will show you how to add a volunteering opportunity to your nonprofit website directly from the front end. No coding language is required. You don't need to have any pre-coding language for that. You can simply do it right from the front end, and it is very easy to use. I will show you how to do that. Let me quickly share my screen. So after logging to your website, from the customized dashboard that we have offered for you, just scroll down a bit below, and under the Manage Your Volunteering System, there is a button, Add Volunteering Opportunities. You click on this button and it will open up in a new window with a form in it. Just fill up all the information in the button, like volunteering position, say free blood donation camp. Select an image, click on image, select media library if you have the image already uploaded in your library. If you don't have, you will have to select the upload option and select from here. So let me select an image. Okay, let's take this one. Click on select, date, select a date, for example 27, and select a time, say 4 p.m. and click on done. Location of the event, say Canal Street. Contact person, P. Andrew. Contact email, pandrew@gmail.com. These all are dummy informations, and volunteer spots, say 15. And then simply click on Add New Volunteering Opportunity button. The page will load once more. Yes, the message clearly states that new volunteering opportunity has been added. So how to check whether the volunteering opportunity has been added or not? There are two ways to do that, as we have already mentioned in for the events also. First, you will have to return back to your dashboard and you can find another button which says all volunteering opportunities. Simply click on that button and it will open up all the existing volunteering opportunities in your website. You can see that the free blood donation camp volunteering opportunity has been added. Let's see how the individual page looks like. Click on more details. Yes. And this is the detail of the volunteering opportunity. And the below form shows how to be a volunteer for this volunteering opportunity. You will have to fill up all the details over here and click on the add yourself as a volunteer button, and the new volunteer will get added to the database. So this is as easy as doing a simple work in website. You can do it directly from the front end. And there is another way from which you can check whether the new volunteering opportunity has been created or not. You will simply have to navigate to the Get Involved button and check for the volunteering option. If you click on the volunteering option, you can find the same page which shows all the existing volunteering opportunities like this. And if for any reason you want to delete this volunteering opportunity, what you will have to do, you will have to open the individual page by clicking on more details. Scroll down to below and you will find a edit button. Click on the edit button, scroll down below and you can find a delete button over there. I will show you how to delete that. Just click on the delete and select OK, and your volunteering opportunity will be deleted. Let's check that whether it has been deleted or not. We will have to navigate to the Get Involved area in the navigation menu. Click on volunteering, and we can see that the volunteering opportunity has been deleted. Now, if you want to edit any volunteering opportunities, just like the event option, what you will have to do, select an individual volunteering opportunity, open it, and scroll down below, find the edit option, edit button. You will find this edit option only if you are logged into your customized nonprofit website. So click on edit option. You can see that all the details are pre-filled in over here. If you want to change the open volunteering spots from 16 to 9, you can change it like this. If you want to change the person name, say Chris Godwin to Chris Mark, and voluntary name from blood book distribution camps to book distribution camp. You have made the edit. Scroll down below and click on edit option. The page is getting reloaded, and you can see that the necessary changes has been done. It's Chris Mark, open volunteering spots from 16 to 9. And this is as easy as doing a simple work in a website. You don't need any coding language for that. And hope this video helps you. Wish to see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.